How to clean and test a Hygeia EnDeare pump. First, open the case, and then the pump out and unravel the cord. You're going to want to spray everything down with the diluted cavicide solution. This pump usually has, on the top of it, has little bottle holders. This one doesn't. They're clear. You want to make sure you open that as well. Spray everything down, let it rest or sit for at least 3 minutes. After you let it sit for 3 minutes, you'll get some cavicide wipes ready to go. And I also like to use the toothbrush with the cavicide solution and just scrub in every little crevice you can. This pump was pretty dirty. Go through all the little knobs and the arm, similar to the medulla lactina. Just anywhere you can find anything and scrub it and get it clean. You also want to wipe down the cord and the inside of the case as well with the wipe, the handle, the outside of the case, the strap. Sometimes I also like to take a toothbrush to it if it's really dirty and dusty and scrub it clean. Take some Q-tips and, just like the other pumps, go around the knobs and all the little areas to check your work. This is a great way to find any dirt or anything else that might have stayed in there. Sometimes we take Gooby Gun and the sponge to remove any old Sharpie or the little scraper tool. You don't need it here. Use a Sharpie to mark up the pump. Usually we use black on the pumps. For the black cases for the Hygeia EnDeare and Enjoys, we use silver, so I'm just touching it up here. If you don't know what pump number it is or the serial number, usually the serial number is on the bottom of the pump. It'll say SN, and we want to mark it up. I'm just touching up here. I use the yellow microfiber towel to finish up after the Sharpie's dried. And now I'm going to put the pump back inside. Just finishing up here. And lastly, I'll use an air duster to help dry and blow out any dust or anything. Same goes inside the case. Wrap up the cord, place it on its back on the handle side, fill out the clean pump sheet, everything on there. Next clip, we will show how to test. You'll need a gauge, Hygeia or medulla, bottle with connector pieces, and a 24mm flange, a piston, and a set of tubing. Right now I'm going to block off one side to pump. Piston goes in. Make sure it's pressed all the way in and pull it out for the arm and push. Other side goes in the back of the connector piece. Usually you want to let it go for about 30 seconds before you start testing. So turn it on. Suction pressure goes all the way up on the piston and the kit. Again, let it run for about 30 seconds before you read the gauge here. And we want it at least 250 psi or more, and it's pumping exactly that, a little over 250. And that is it.